All right, news break just coming in. It's the BJP versus Sena which has exploded on the sidelines of the Kangana controversy. The former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis slammed the BMC demolition. Fadnavis has said action against someone who criticized you amounts to cowardice. Fadnavis calls it vendetta politics, says no place for vendetta politics in Maharashtra.
अगर इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन है तो जरूर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, लेकिन सबके साथ ये कार्रवाई होती तो निश्चित रूप से उचित कार्रवाई होती। किसी ने आपके खिलाफ बात कही, इसलिए जब आप कार्रवाई करते हो तो ये कायरता है, बदले की भावना है और महाराष्ट्र में इस प्रकार की भावना का कोई सम्मान नहीं हो सकता।
All right, so that's the big news break coming in. It clearly has become highly political right now. Till now, there were undertones of it being political, that Kangana was being played and was playing to the gallery where the BJP was concerned. Now there's open support. You've had the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra come out in support of Kangana and calling the government of the day vindictive. Cutting across to Kamlesh Sutar, who's joining us for more. Kamlesh, give us more details. It's very clear now that this is going to be a BJP versus Sena fight in Maharashtra. Kamlesh, can you hear me?
Yes, Preeti, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, Kamlesh, it really seems to be now a BJP versus Sena fight in Maharashtra.
Well, indeed, the way of the BJP state president has batted for Kangana, saying that though we do not subscribe to her views on Mumbai and her comparison with POK and Pakistan, but the way she is being haunted, he used the word the present government, the three-party government, is hounding her like a pack of jackals. This is what the state president of the BJP says. This is not the culture of Maharashtra to hound a woman like this. This culture of the state doesn't teach us to do that. Whatever she has said, if that is objectionable, they should go to the court, take legal action. But harassing someone like this is certainly not is unbecoming of a state government, and he has stood behind Kangana as far as the demolition is concerned.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Kamlesh, we're going to come back to you. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.